and give orphans their properties, and do not substitute the bad for the good. And do not consume their properties by combining them with yours, for that would be a serious sin. If you fear you cannot act fairly towards the orphans, then marry the women you like, 2, or 3, or 4. But if you fear you will not be fair, then 1, or what you already have. That makes it more likely that you avoid bias. Do not give the immature your money which Allah has assigned to you for support. But provide for them from it, and clothe them, and speak to them with kind words. Test the orphans until they reach the age of marriage. If you find them to be mature enough, hand over their properties to them. And do not consume it extravagantly or hastily before they grow up. The rich shall not charge any wage, but the poor may charge fairly. When you hand over their properties to them, have it witnessed for them. Allah suffices as a reckoner. Those who consume the wealth of orphans illicitly consume only fire into their bellies, and they will roast in a blaze. They ask you for a ruling about women. Say, Allah gives you a ruling about them, and so does what is stated to you in the book about widowed women from whom you withhold what is decreed for them, yet you desire to marry them, and about helpless children, that you should treat the orphans fairly. Whatever good you do, Allah knows it. And do not come near the property of the orphan, except with the best intentions, until he reaches maturity. And give full weight and full measure, equitably. We do not burden any soul beyond its capacity. And when you speak, be fair, even if it concerns a close relative. And fulfill your covenant with Allah. All this He has enjoined upon you, so that you may take heed. And do not go near the orphan's property, except with the best of intentions, until he has reached his maturity. And honor your pledge, because the pledge involves responsibility. Not at all. But you do not honor the orphan. And you devour inheritance with all greed. An orphan near of kin. Therefore, do not mistreat the orphan. It is he who mistreats the orphan,